making some simple meals, almond flour pancakes. And the reason why we are making these today is because tomorrow is Shabbat and it's a beautiful prep day. And my father likes these pancakes and the whole community likes them. This recipe is very easy and all it has is eggs, milk, and oil. You can do water if you want, but we prefer the milk. So let's get this thing popped in. Mixed our mix, and now we're making the pancakes. And then when these pancakes are done cooking, we're going to set them in here and put this on top. These two are cooking right now. I think this one's almost ready to flip. Praise to the Most High, to the Most High, praise to the Most High, Yahweh.
This is a good one-liner. Every time I take my pet to the park, the ducks always try to bite him. That's what I get for buying a purebred dog.
Shalom Saints, today we are going to make a fruit salad. All you need is blueberries and blackberries, strawberries, and agave. What are you guys enjoy? We're about to cut the strawberries.
His praises don't stop. 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 Sing to the Most High God.
Shalom Saints, today we'll be making some egg casserole for our Shabbat breakfast tomorrow. The ingredients for our egg casserole are baby spinach, pasture-raised eggs, baby bella mushrooms, and 2 yellow onions. We also have a cheese blend of some leftover packets of cheese in our refrigerator. Let's get started. Welcome back, Saints. I just got finished with cracking and whipping our eggs, and now we are about to prep our vegetables for the egg casserole by sauteing them and seasoning them with these 5 seasonings.
His praises don't stop. 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 Holy Spirit, Holy Spirit, just like fire, it won't let me stop. It won't let me stop. I cannot stop praising God. Holy Spirit.
It's Chipotle sauce. What we're doing right now is we're about to put our mayonnaise. We've already put our chipotle powder and our chipotle peppers. Yep. So now I'm going to go ahead and put these in, and what it's going to be for is our egg casserole, and we like it on mostly everything.
Just like fire, it won't let me stop. It won't let me stop. I cannot stop praising God. Praise to the Most High God, to the Most High God. Praise to the Most High Yahweh. Praise to the Most High God, to the Most High God. Praise to the Most High Yahweh. Praise to the Most High God, to the Most High God. Praise to the Most High.
casserole. We have almond flour pancakes, fruit salad, maple syrup, and chipotle sauce. Bless you, saints. Enjoy your breakfast.
His praises don't stop. 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 His praises don't stop.
She got the money.
Thanks, Daddy.
Hallelujah. Sing it, Sammy. Why are you laughing?
Because I was just like, oh, you started recording me.
She's being a nut, that's why.